said we were going back to the old strat, and the old strat, we did that.
No, it's I meant the
Guys,
old
lots
new
at the back.
strat.
The old
Without
new
the-
strat! Oh! How wouldn't I know that? Got you. I will not do that mistake again.
Okay. Kill Honeybee, he's
Guys,
probably shot calling.
Lottie.
No, Amanelko is the one calling. We are following, remember?
I mean from enemies.
We have a lot of them on the top.
Dilotti is a healer. They are
Yeah, it's
going
legal.
up on the
What
top.
is
Let's
the
go
healer?
top. Let's help top.
Oh my god. I tried
Who
to leave the
is
Warlords and they
missing,
kicked me out.
guys?
What the fuck?
Oh, okay.
Wait, we can put it in again. It's fucked, I guess.
They're going back mid.
Yeah, mid. Lottie's also in the mid.
Okay, I'm coming back to mid.
Guys, if we don't poke Lottie the healer,
Yeah, I know.
Buff you.
she's running like a rabbit here.
I'm going for Lottie as well, but executed Lottie. Nice. Get Lottie. Is Lottie anti-healed? Can we get anti-heal
Yes,
on
now.
Lottie?
Lottie's now anti-healed.
There is two people low HP behind.
Come on, Lottie, she's still low. Keep it up. You need to get Lottie.
I am CC'd, but I'm not gonna
Okay,
stick on
Lottie
me.
is back to full. Fucking hell. We need to be faster. When she's low, we need to anti-heal her before it's too late. I'm pulling with the tower.
Now Lottie, guys.
There's a nameless in the front, low HP, half HP.
I got
fucking
one.
hell.
Lottie's
I got
dead.
the Lottie.
Stay on
I
the-
got the Lottie.
Good
Stay,
job.
Stay.
She's back.
Stay,
Pump
she's back.
pump onto Lottie, pump
Top
onto
is down.
Lottie, anti-heal her. Oh,
Let's
fucking hell.
I'm on her. I was on her.
Timon is going to mid.
There's
Kazuya is
four
getting
people on mid,
focused. You should say it earlier, please.
Well, I didn't see it coming.
Yeah,
All of them just
also
they jump on me.
poking the tower, guys.
There's tons on the tower. Big pull mid here.
No, I'm gonna boom. Get me off. Get me off. Get me off.
I'm done.
I'm on the fucking bulwark, and it obviously takes like half an hour to get off it. Couldn't be easy.
Yeah.
Like having its own button. No.
Exactly.
Healing ult.
Thank you.
Okay. I am going to throw down my ult on Kazuya and Teacher because they're close enough.
Yeah. There is a fucking dual blade on me. I'm next to you, Sonny.
Boss, guys.
Oh, that's it.
Bottom.
Bot is down. We save
Keep
bot
holding
jungle.
for now. Keep holding. Jungle
Jungle
in
20
20
seconds.
seconds. There's a team on the
Bottom,
goose.
bottom.
Team on the goose. Go to the goose. Goose. Fucking
Yeah.
goose. Popping city protection and go to goose.
So
Are
don't worry.
we- Queen's going
Gwen
for
takes
boss.
Gwen takes jungle and you guys go to goose. No boss.
about
Fuck
boss?
boss.
Okay.
Fuck boss. We need the jungle.
There is a tank on Gara.
Heavy when Quint is back, so we can pull.
There's one DPS on the middle tower.
I'll pull here on the goose.
I hate this. I hate this.
I'm gonna fucking cry. I'm gonna cry. I swear to God.
We both did it at the same time too. Oh, yay.
Okay, Quint is going back. Quint is back.
A lot of no name top grass.
Goose is in the middle, guys. Goose is middle.
Okay,
Seno casting on Goose.
guys, let's try to play in the same area so we can target people, okay?
Middle gate
Yeah,
for
yeah.
me right now. Where
I
are
am
you
on bottom
guys?
gate. I am on bottom gate. Emeralco and me are moving towards you.
Okay, nice.
Now we need to pick a target. Let's try to get somebody down.
Let's focus.
Lottie
Be
is
careful,
also
they
there
don't out.
again. In the middle, Lottie's in the middle.
Next to the tree, next to the tree, the upper jaw.
I
The
followed
Lottie,
it.
the Lottie is also right behind the tree. I'm on her.
Oh yeah, Lottie. I see
Yeah,
Lottie.
she's in the middle of everybody.
Yep, jumping onto Lottie, trying to at least.
Shadow, please call your pull.
Emeralco right behind you is Lottie.
Yeah, I pulled ready.
Little pull there.
Oh, I thought you pulled. Lol.
No, not
Sorry.
yet.
Fuck, I
showing.
pulled on it. Oh no.
I'm buffing you too,
yeah.
because I have both of you and teacher at the same place. I
Yeah.
know we're not doing good, but
Shadow King can
it would be a waste.
assist you.
Kill the double
Complex is
Chinese.
also
Yeah,
middle.
It's
top-
Scarlet.
top shed.
Scarlet.
With top wall.
This
I can
fucking tank.
They are coming from top gate.
Oh, I just been.
Oh, bot. A lot.
Declump.
Bottom.
You're getting sucked.
Healing ult. Fuck.
I'm dead.
Yeah, I got caught in that. Oh, no.
The order on the goose.
Okay, I have pull ready. Do we have a key shield?
I can follow.
Do it.
Okay,
do
I
it,
am
do
on
it,
bottom.
near the goose, bro.
I am on top grass.
I'm on the tree.
Okay,
pulling top.
on
Coming
me.
to
Bot.
you.
Where are the rest? Communicate,
Getting
please.
sucked in the middle. Getting
Yeah.
sucked.
I'm free healing from the
I'm
outside.
near
Getting
the
jumped
tree.
by Honeybee.
Bro,
Getting sucked again.
This tank keep doing the fucking ultimate on me all
Getting
the time.
sucked for the third time in a row.
Yeah.
In the far corner, there's one standing free. Double Chinese
Fucking
characters. I'm on them.
Do we have
They're moving
pull?
towards tree. I'm by Goose.
I'm chi shielding.
The
Jungle
goose is
in
alone.
30 seconds. Jungle in 30.
The goose is alone. Nobody's protecting the goose.
Okay, I have full ready.
Look at the
It's a pull
fucking
bot,
goose!
pull
How
bot.
many things do I have to do at once? Goose is on bot alone. I mean top. I mean it's bot.
Now it's
Fuck
middle.
all the
Now it's in the
directions.
middle. Jungle.
Jungle in 10. Jungle in 10.
There is this boba guy
That's
in
this.
front of the goose.
You're
He's
a good
low.
teamer.
Remember who is doing jungle from the roster? Just only those go. Everybody else on the goose.
Nice.
Okay, GG.
All of them, all of the nameless together near.
They're sprinting with the tree.
Where did you guys die?
Can we get the
The
pull on
Yeah,
jungle.
in
bot
the
side?
jungle.
Yeah, I can't get to you then.
I do it.
I just got
Yeah,
back from the
it's
jungle.
fine. I guess we will stay in defense.
I saw that one coming and didn't move.
This fucking nameless.
Yeah, it's nameless everywhere.
Yeah, they're just everywhere.
Nameless is the
Is any bomb planned?
And tanks, you need to coordinate pulls. I cannot be the only one.
Get in front of the tree. The tree is already out. Why are we fighting in the base?
because they're
It should be
delayed.
automatic at this point. Every single game is the
Yeah,
same.
we do.
Let's
They're
move
on
in
the sides now.
front and do not clump up, as always.
Top side. There's
I
a fair few.
might just die here. I have 4 people on me, so yeah.
Remember the strategy. Overwhelm one side, let's overwhelm the bot side. Come on.
I'm gonna pull
They
it
are
out in this
all
corner.
at the top. They are all at the top.
Maybe not.
A lot of neighbors.
Let's
Still
go
got
on
too much.
bot.
Someone
Let's
block the
listen
tree.
to the
Someone block the
commands.
tree.
Okay.
Good.
Let's get in front. In front. Go through the jungle.
Going
Jump
through
onto
bot
the
jungle,
roofs. Do not go through the middle.
bot jungle roof, and
Yeah,
then
I am.
trying to get in front of the tree.
Okay, come on, move in front. More people,
I
more
see you,
people.
Americo. I'm here with
Yeah,
Fizzy.
I'm here.
Come
I'm here.
on,
It's fine.
jump down, jump down. Let's go, let's
Oh, no.
go.
They're bumping.
We're
Ah, we
getting
just-
pulled, getting
Healing
sucked.
ult.
Shielding.
Anti is on.
I think that's the wrong ult.
Don't start a pull right away, there's fucking tanks. Why are we pulling the tanks? We should spot the nameless and go onto them. Do not clump. This is why we fucking die every single time we regroup.
Okay, regroup on the bot side of the arena.
Respawn on the top camp. And go from the top camp.
Tell attack that they're coming. Tell attack that they're coming for them.
Tell attack that they are coming.
So we should push, I guess.
Oh, they've just put healing reduction on.
They are running through the bridge.
Okay, we need to go in there.
Yeah.
Stop them behind the bridge. Stop them behind the bridge. Come on. Let's get in here. Do not clump up. Don't start a pull yet.
Yeah.
Wait. Just hold on. Get some damage.
Can you guys stand
Trees
up?
on
Someone
Yeah,
needs to
there,
start
perfect,
pull.
perfect,
I'm
perfect,
blocking.
perfect. There you go. I got buff on both of you. Right behind you guys.
Trees
Right
on
behind
the
you
stairs,
guys.
trees on
Right
the
behind
stairs.
you. They're all right behind you, Fizzy.
Okay,
There's
Terry has that.
many nameless
Trees
right
there,
behind us. Come on. Fuck the tree right away. Focus on the DPS. Come on.
Well, we killed it, mate. But
I'm pulling in front of
don't
the
kill it.
tree.
I mean, yeah, we killed it, but that's not our focus. That's our last
no,
focus
Pull in front
after
of
we
tree.
regroup.
Yeah, cool.
Gary's dying. I got him. I'll try to heal him back up.
Leave the middle alone. Let's go on the sides. On the sides, there's the nameless and such. It's gonna be boss soon. Okay, boss is on the top side. Quent is gonna go, everybody else stay. Only Quent goes. Only Quent. Everyone
Boss at
else
top.
stay on the tree. Only Quent goes to boss. Come on, come on.
One healer dead.
I cannot heal both of you so far apart. I'm throwing down healer
I'm
ulti just
just
to
trying
keep
to
both of you
escape
alive.
them.
Yeah, I had to
thanks.
throw it down just to keep you guys alive.
Oh,
Let's play from the side so that we can't fight them head on and try to steal the boss.
Are they waiting with a chicken? The Chinese guy have a chicken. Panda skin. He's running. They
Try to
have
get
two
him
chickens.
off the chicken. Fucking dead in one hit.
Sorry, I tried.
He's running again, guys.
Try to last hit the boss. Try to last hit the boss. Don't fight in the middle. Try to last hit him.
Why do I not hear a single call to pull? What's happening?
There are so many
We are
here.
waiting for
Like
Quinn.
there's
They have 3 chickens, guys.
Yeah, they got it.
Yeah, we're right. I think Quinn should not have moved
Yeah.
there.
They are with 2 teams.
Mm-hmm.
And they kill it with a chicken.
No.
Hmm.
Okay, I'm on top side. Healing from
I'm
the side.
lagging all over the
No.
place.
Kasia, right behind you. There was somebody. They moved.
I'm trying to kill this healer. Keep healing.
I cannot heal attack, sadly.
Guys, do pulls, do something. Call.
This is so hard.
I'm healing ult.
He's
No,
running.
there's one.
Whatever strategy we have is not working.
Yeah.
Yeah.